We are pleased to show you the 2019 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, daytime running lights, front license plate bracket, remote power door locks, tire pressure monitoring system, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, power steering, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.